Hey guys, today we are going to see about EBS, which is Elastic Block Storage. So, which is used to attach the storage to EC2 instance. So, this is the running instance I have. If you can see, we have already attached 8 GB of the root volume. So, this is root volume that will be attached when we are creating EC2 instance. Okay, so yeah, so once you click the instance, if you go below and if you click storage, you can see the block devices, right? There you can see attached volumes of this instance. If you click this volume id, it will take you to the volumes console. So if you can see under elastic block store, you can see volumes. So this block store is used to boot the operating system, or store the data in EC2 instance. Okay, so yeah, here you can see 8 GB of the volume we have attached to the EC2 instance. Here we can create a new volume and attach the new volume to EC2 instance. That's the benefits of the EBS. Okay, so let me create a volume. So I'm going to choose general purpose SSD. So here you can see there are multiple types of volume. So I'm going to choose GP3. So I'm going to have 2 GB of EBS. So I'm going to leave remaining the same. So availability zone. So you have to create EBS on the uh, availability zone that EC2 is launched. Okay, so if you check the EC2 instance, yeah, if you check the EC2 instance and scroll to the right, see you can see the availability zones of the EC2 instance. It is US East 1C. So that I have to create EBS in the same availability zones. So if you scroll down, so it should be 1C. Okay, yeah, let me create a volume. Yeah, now you can see two volume in volumes. Okay, so if you scroll to the right, here you can see volume state, one is in use and one is available. So this is available because it is not attached to any EC2 instance. If you can see attached resources, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to attach this volume to the instance that we created. So choose the volume ID, click action and attach volume. So here you need to choose, so you will get a drop down, the instance ID. You need to choose the instance ID. So if you create availability zones in different, right, when the EBS in different availability zone, you won't get this drop down. Okay, so because the instance is in 1C, if you create a bin stuck in 1A, you won't get any list. So there is no more instance. You will get no more instance in this drop down. Okay, so yeah, it will be default. That's fine. So we will choose the recommended one. It's a mount device name. Okay, so attach a volume. Yeah, successfully attached the volume to the instance. If you scroll to the right, so you can see the volume is in use. So even if you check the EC2 instance, okay, and refresh, you need to check inside the EC2 instance and go to the storage. Yeah, if you scroll down and click storage, yeah, here you can see two volumes, right? One is 2 GB, one is 8 GB. That is created with the EC2 instance. So here I also need to show you one thing. So if you scroll this to right, here you can see two options. Delete on termination. One is yes, one is no. So delete on termination means, so when you delete this EC2 instance, this root volume will also terminated. Okay. So but this volume, the attached volume, right? This new volume won't delete. I mean, it won't delete by after deleting the EC2 instance. So this option is available in Beanstalk. We can also, um, check or enable the delete on termination for this Beanstalk as well. However, this delete on termination, yes, in root volume is enabled by default. I will show you that as well. So if we go to launch instance, okay, yeah, if you scroll down to this launch instance wizard, yeah, here you can see if I click on advanced configure storage section, volume. Yeah, here you can see delete on termination. By default, it is enabled. So here, whenever we are creating the root volume, it by default enabled. So if EC2 instance is terminated, the EBS volume will be also terminated. So I will show that you in this demo itself. So if you can see this instance is running, right. Let me terminate this. Okay, instance is in terminating state. So if we check the volumes, here you can see there is only one volume that we created, 2 GB. That root volume that created with the EC2 has been terminated. Okay. So this is the use of delete on termination on a EC2 instance. Okay, guys. That's it on this lecture. We saw delete on termination and how to create EBS new volume and attach it to EC2 instance. Thank you.